Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tom and I'm from Tom Small Engines. Okay, today we're going to redo 80cc recoil because I bought this thing and I pulled it once and broke the rope right off. So just like this one I did a while ago, it has different rope in it and it's a little bit longer and it's a lot better. Alright, so first thing I do is get a clamp like this and a socket to help hold it. This thing is so powerful, and again you got to go counterclockwise to turn it. Maybe stick a screwdriver in there. Nah, that's not going to help. Okay, lay it on the table and just spin it like that. I guarantee you the rope's going to break if you buy these, but I got a solution, and that's to put a better rope in it. So then you put the socket here, and you got to hold this now. So I put it on my leg. You can't see it there, but put it there. Set the clamp up. Good time to always set the clamp up first. Okay. Oops, fell out. No biggie. And don't get frustrated, because the minute you get frustrated, you're letting it win. Okay. Position the socket. Push down a couple times until you know it's locked in there. See that? Good. Now you can feed the rope in. And luckily I lined it up right. The rope has to be 41 inches. So what I do is put the handle on first and measure from the handle down 41 inches. So let's do that. Top of the handle, 41 inches, like that. And take your lighter and give that a little light, melt it, because you know it's wax in there to help make a point. So when you feed it through here, it lines right up. All right, let me clear this up. Can't work with a messy table. It's not going to happen. Okay, now let's see if this clamp will hold it too, because I got to move it. Nope. All right, so now got to hold this down, let off the clamp. Let's see if that moved it over. Line them holes up and you're good. There we go. Cool. All right, take your needle nose and get in there and grab that rope. Gingerly now. You don't want to be ripping it. There we go. Tie your first knot real snug. And then tie another knot on top of that knot and snug it up. So it should look like that. Okay? Push the rope through. Like so. Hold on to it now because it's going to... Okay. I'm gonna hold it with my foot. Alright. Because this thing really tight on there. Damn. I really got that clamp on there, son of a bitch. Come on, get the fuck off it. There we go. Got it. Okay. And if it's like that, then you know the rope's too long. So it's not 41 inches. Just wind it up like that until it's snug, and then you gotta cut this off. So pull this out. Cut this right here. Get rid of that. And I'm gonna mark it right here. So what you do is pull it out a little bit. And I always put a clamp here so I don't lose the spot. And then tie a knot. Your first knot again. Gotta go down a little bit. There we go. Snug that up. Except you gotta put the handle in. George, where did he go, George? Alright, so again, melt this because you're feeding it through, and you don't want to fray it. I mean, for a little bit of time, this is worth it because you're fixing your recoil, so you can pull start your motorbike. Rid of the clamp. Put a little tension on it, so when you tie that knot, it'll come out nice and snug when you're done. Like so. Get it tight and tie another knot on top of that one. Remember, that's go on top. It'll be the first knot. So there'll be two knots and they'll be on top of each other. Kind of like, yeah, I don't want to say it. And then you pull it through, snug it up, cut this off. Right about there. Now, light this end again. So it's all ready to go. It's not going to come loose. See that? That's a lot better. And that's all you need to start your bike. All you need. This one's probably too long, so I'll cut this. Yeah, this is definitely too long. Alright, so you got the basic idea. And you can't replace the rope with thicker rope. You have to go with the same thickness rope, but stronger. Because then it will not recoil. The rope will be all caught up in it. Okay? Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.